Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we are on chapter 6. We are going to learn everything about les couleurs. This is probably the shortest video of the course, I believe. It's only going to be a few minutes long. If you have the book, we are going from page 61 to 62 only, exercises 6.1 to 6.3. We have only 2 points for this video. It's les couleurs and then les adjectifs related to colors. So let's start. The first one that we are going to talk about today is les couleurs. Colors in French are always masculine, even though the word couleur is feminine. So, like I said, une couleur féminine, a color. To ask what color it is, c'est quelle couleur? C'est quelle couleur? Which you can answer. C'est vert, it's green. C'est vert foncé, c'est vert clair. We are going to see more adjectives like those after saying colors. The first color we have today is beige. Beige. Like I said, the noun is always going to be masculine. So if we say le blanc, le beige, those are masculine. However, they can also be adjectives. So here I give you both for blanc, blanche, and for all the other one coming after that. Blanc, blanche. Unless it's like beige and it doesn't change because it already ends with a E. Then we have bleu, 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 brun, brune, ou marron. You can use either brun, brune, ou marron. Marron doesn't change in gender. Next one we have gris, grise. Gris, grise. Jaune, jaune. Noir, noir. Orange, orange. Rose, rose. Rouge, rouge. Vert, verte. Vert, verte. Violet, violette. Violet, violette. The big thing to remember about orange and marron is that they are not going to change in gender and number. They are not going to take a S or anything. Anything, any color coming from food is not going to change. Let's see 2 sentences. J'aime le bleu, mais pour les habits, je préfère le noir. J'aime le bleu, mais pour les habits, je préfère le noir. If you are going to a store and you are looking for a specific pants, for example, you can ask, est-ce que vous avez ce pantalon en blanc? Est-ce que vous avez ce pantalon en blanc? Exercises 6.1, 6.2. Now, les adjectifs. We can say, c'est une couleur bla bla bla, or c'est un rouge bla bla bla. We are going to see a little bit less than 10 adjectives. There are more in the book. I'm just going to give you the one that we use the most. The first one we have chaud, chaude. Chaud, chaude. Also froid, froide. Froid, froide. We can also have a natural color. Naturel, naturel, naturel. We can also have une couleur primaire, secondaire, tertiaire. And the last one that I think is very important is beau, belle. Beau, belle. This one I left it at the end because since it's an adjective that describes beauty, it's going to be before the adjective. Before the noun, not the adjective, before the noun. C'est une belle couleur. C'est une belle couleur. It's a beautiful color. And on se sert des couleurs primaires pour faire les couleurs secondaires. On se sert des couleurs primaires pour faire les couleurs secondaires. That's it for this one. When you feel comfortable with the subject, you can do the exercise 6.3. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I will see you on Wednesday for a new lesson. À mercredi.